Hi, my name is Shiraz, and this week's meditation topic is Me Who is Superior. For years, decades, my whole life, I just had this superiority complex. I felt like I was better than everyone else, that I deserved more, I deserved the nicer things and more expensive things. I deserved to be treated better. I honestly have no rhyme or reason or understand where that came from. And quite truthfully, it's very stressful and a lot of anxiety ridden. Keep thinking about that. I was always in competition with people, with just in general, and kind of, in effect, kind of keeping a scoreboard, right? Oh, I did better than you, or this and whatever it was. Just kept endless cycle of it. This meditation method that I'm very thankful that I found has taught me to be more honest with myself, to actually understand that I'm the same as everybody else, and actually working through that by throwing away these images that I've had for the last my entire life has really brought me into clarity and bring me closer to the universe and understand that I'm just the same as everyone else. It's not a competition. And the anxiety has come down. I can relax about it and understand that, you know what? We're all the same. So thank you.